2, 1, go.
How do you create a next steps page for your party rental business? What's up, people? So you close the sale, you've talked to the customer over the phone, you set their expectations. How do you automate some of that? So I talked to you guys in the last video about how I send a text message to customers with the next steps, what they can expect about their event with our policies. I'm about to show you exactly how we do that. Come on over. Now, what you don't want to do is send a really long text message or a really long email. Nobody reads that. So what I found is the best thing to do is to create a page on your website with all of your terms and conditions, your policies, and then send that link to your customers. Why? One, your email or text that you send them is shorter, and if you make a change to your policy, you don't have to update 50 different places. You just update that one page. So let me show you guys how to do that. Number one, you log into your rental software here, log into the back end of your website. If you're using EventHawk, you just go to website, admin login, and then now you are in the back end of your website. Super easy. From there, you're just gonna go ahead and create a page, and you just click new page, and bam, you're in WordPress now, you created a new page. What do you put on that page? All right, so here's what mine looks like. Right, so mine is called things to know about your event rental. You just call them next steps. Okay, so these are the next steps, our policies and stuff like that. So next steps. I'm sure you come up with a better name. What do I call it here? Policy recap, booking recap could be a good one. You have it here, and then I have a template for you that I'll give you, and this is kind of what mine looks like. I just kind of copy all this, copy it, and then you're gonna go and put it right here. Bam, that's it. Next steps for your rental. Just put that up here, and I get rid of this one. Okay, so delete. All right, so I send them an email with an email and a text with a link to this page, and it says review, step 1, review and sign your rental contract. We sent you an email with your rental contract and next steps. They get another email, right? And I send this to them in a text. Really important, because look, it's a pretty short page, even on mobile. They just see these things. Okay, so I have to do 4 things. Number 1, sign the rental contract. Number 2, review the safety instructions. Safety instructions is another page, all right, that you create. Same thing. You just go to your you go website. I'll do the next video on this one. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll do the next video on this one. You go ahead and you create this page first. Review our safety instructions. Same thing. You mention the safety to them over the phone through this page, and then again when you deliver. And then preferred delivery times. Our crew may arrive to deliver your equipment anytime before blah, blah, blah. So you have this template. Basically, what I need you to do is create the page, paste what I gave you in there, and then update it with your policies. And then you're going to go into EventHawk and add that link in so that it sends it to them after every booking. We can do that part for you. I don't want to go through the technical side of it right now, but if you just text support and say, hey, I created this page, can you please make it so that it sends to my customers after every booking? We'll take care of all that for you. So that's pretty much it. This is a page, and so like the cancellation policy, you have to give us a heads up of 24 hours before your rental, okay? Let's say I change that to 3 days for whatever reason. I can just update it here and done. So I send them this page, I send them a text that says, thank you for your booking. Here are some things to know to make sure that you have an awesome day on your party event. Let us know if there's any sprinklers. The tables and chairs are delivered curbside. So when you get there and they're like, I need you to set up all these tables, I paid for blah, blah, blah. We say, man, we texted you our policy. Our policy is XYZ. Or they say, hey, I want to cancel. And it's like you arrive at their house and they're like, I don't want it anymore. We say, hey, man, we texted you this information and you're good to go. So that's how you do that. That's pretty much it. So you create the page and you send it over to us and we can have it automatically sent to them. Go ahead and comment your city and state on the YouTube video to take accountability that you finished this step.